Hi, Cykaniki here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about makeup brushes and tools that you can use as, we can say, a survival kit, or you can also use for freelancing gigs just like me. So we're going to start with the essential kit, or the travel kit, or the survival kit. So first we're going to start with the base. So I would suggest, if you are a makeup enthusiast or a makeup beginner, you must have a blending sponge. Sorry, this is a bit dirty. I used this earlier. This one is super affordable. This costs 164 and you can avail this at Super Metro. It's an Idol brand, if you know it. Yes, this is a must-have for a travel kit. Or you can also use this disposable sponge. This is a wedge sponge. This is super useful. You can dispose it because it's super affordable. Another one for the base is powder brush as well. So you need to have a powder brush. For the travel kit, you can use this powder brush. This is from Charm. This is a powder brush, but you can also use this as your blush brush. Next will be a contour brush. So this is my favorite contour brush. As you can see, slant siya. It is very good for your contour, and as well as it is also useful as your blush brush. Pagkatapos dito, i-flip mo lang ng ganyan, tapos blush brush na siya. That's for the base. For the face, let's go on with the eyes. For the eyes, I would suggest for two brushes. So this one is the eyeshadow brush and this one is a blending brush. So this is used to apply eyeshadows in your eyelids, and this one is for blending the crease. And another important thing, you can also use a cotton buds if you have it. You can also use it as an applicator if you're going to apply eyeshadow in your lower rim. And if you have smudges over there, you can clean it up. I don't know where's my cotton buds. I prepared it earlier. Maybe my kids are playing with it, so it's not here. So that's it for the beginners or the essential kit or the survival kit. Okay, so let's go to a higher level. Not really higher level, but it is useful as well for those makeup enthusiasts who want to level up with their makeup game, and for those who do it professionally as their, not just a hobby, but a source of income. And if you're a freelancer like me, you really need this one. The products that I mentioned earlier, merong mauulit because I use it on my clients as well and for myself. Again, I use a blending sponge, and I use this one, and I use the Real Techniques one. It's very useful for the base. This one as well for clients. It's very convenient, disposable. Another one for the base. Sorry, this is a bit dirty. This is a combo, right? First, I applied the foundation using this foundation brush and then blend it with this sponge. Another combo that I use if I wanted to have the full coverage foundation, I usually apply the foundation using this flat kabuki brush. This is from Sigma, and this one is from Marionette and Real Technique sponge. This is a combo. Sometimes I use this one, sometimes this one. So I apply the foundation first on this one and then blend it using the flat kabuki brush. And another one for the base is the powder brush. I have a very big fluffy brush. This is Clover brush. I really love it. It's super soft and fluffy, and it can cover the whole face. Sometimes I use a lot of powders on my client's face. I need to dust it off or apply the powder foundation itself. So this is my favorite, ultimate favorite. And another one for the face, I use this in the eye area as a setting powder, or I simply brush the excess powder while I'm baking. Another one is, I mentioned it earlier, the contour brush, or you can also use this as a blush brush. This one is from Real Techniques and this one is from Marionette. I have two angle brush, or the sculpting brush. Another one as well, this is a fan brush. This is for highlighting the highest points of your face, fan brush. And let's go with the eyes. So let's start with, again, I'm going to mention a blending brush and eyeshadow brush. I have another blending brush, so this is more precise. This is a little bit small. I use this to have dark colors and I want precise application in here, and then I blend it with a bigger fluffer brush. And I also have this. It is a definer brush. You can use it as sculpting, as a definer brush on your brows. You can also use this as an eyeshadow applicator here. I have also this small brush. It's a eyeshadow brush, definer brush. You can use it to more specific application, especially here, putting a highlighter and eyeshadow here on the inner rim of your eyes. Of course, we're not going to forget the lip brush. This is a must-have. Or I forgot to mention earlier, an angle brush. It is useful for your eyebrows and spoolie, of course. And I also use this one sometimes. This is an oval brush. I use this for contouring the nose area as well. And here, I'm going to reveal my secret, the brush that I'm going to use on my brows. This is actually super affordable. It costs 24 pesos, I think, on Nichido booth. The original height of this brush is a little bit like this, but I cut it improvising, so I use it on my brows because it's super dense. It makes my work super easy and fast. Oh, I already mentioned fan brush. And that's it for guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this video will help you in a little way, and I hope you're going to like, share this video, and please leave all your comments down below if you have any questions or suggestions. So let's talk on the comments below. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.